Monday morning feels so bad. Everybody seems to nag. But coming Tuesday, I feel down. Even my old man looks good. 'Cause Wednesdays go so slow, but Thursdays all over. 'Cause I'm not riding on my mind. We're gonna have fun in the city. We'll be with my girl, she's so pretty. She looks fine tonight. She is out of sight to me. Tonight, will I spend my breath? Tonight, will I lose my head? Tonight, will I put it again? Tonight, Monday and Friday on my mind. Let's do that 5-day drag once more. Work on this morning, boys. Before they're working for the rich man. Oh, yeah. You know I'll change that C-word. Today I might be sad, tomorrow I might be mad. 'Cause I'm not fighting on my mind. We're gonna have fun in the city. I'll be with my girl, she's so pretty. She looks fine tonight. She looks out of sight to me. Tonight, will I spend my breath? Will I lose my head? Will I gonna get tonight? Monday, I got Friday on my mind. We're gonna have fun in the city. We'll be with my girl, she's so pretty. We're gonna have fun in the city. We'll be with my girl, she's so pretty. She looks fine tonight. She is out of sight to me. Tonight, will I spend my breath? Tonight, will I lose my head? Will I go and get tonight? Oh, yeah. Mr. Lover. Well, it's Friday night. Everything's gonna be alright. You know I just got paid. Look out! How many of you guys wanna get laid? It's alright. 'Cause Rose, this is bad. Tuesday mornings be so sad. Wednesdays just go so slow. Thursdays I don't know. Just give it Friday. Come on, boy. Take it away.